So what is Hootsuite? Hootsuite was created in the year 2008. It was initially for social media management, but over the years it has come up to becoming a social media scheduling for monitoring, analytics, engagement, and all sorts of things that's related to social media. So it includes, so we can basically manage handles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and TikTok. Not in India, but it has over 16 million users across 175 countries. So it has a huge database, it has a huge user base, and that way it's been a success for Hootsuite. And it has clients across board like HBO, Panasonic, Times Inc. Just a fun fact, even Barack Obama used Hootsuite for its social media campaign uh, back when he was running elections. Uh, so yeah, so I was talking about how what all Hootsuite does. So it helps us in scheduling, monitoring, analytics, engagement. Also, it's a content planning platform wherein it helps us do assignments, approvals from our clients or from our other teammates. It helps us in commenting. It has a shared content library wherein we can share all our content across our team members, and it also provides with analytics and reporting. It also has something called as Hootsuite, wherein we can share our social media platforms of different brands with other teammates so that it's easier for us to have discussion about how our campaigns are going, how our social media is running, if Twitter is doing better or Instagram is doing better, and that way we could uh, better knowledge of what's going on in our social media campaigns. Next, I'll be taking over the dashboard of, I'll be talking about the dashboard of Hootsuite. So when you log into Hootsuite, first you'll have to either purchase the monthly or the yearly plan. After that, you will be taken to this dashboard wherein it's all jumbled up just like the Facebook ads dashboard. But when we come down to one thing at a time, we could understand how easy it makes our social media for all of our brands all together at one place. So the most simple and the most important is right hand corner, the composer. The you make your post, you compose your post, as in you write across platforms. So if you're writing if you want to post the same thing across Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, you don't have to go to three platforms to make those posts, make those hashtags, upload that image, upload that video, and do it. You could just do it at one place with the composer. You tap on the composer, you give in all the information, you upload your image, you write your caption, you put in your hashtags, and you could publish it. Then next comes is the streams. Streams is where we understand what all apps we've connected onto our Hootsuite and for what all brands. So if we are running campaigns for three brands and we have uh, social medias for all these three brands, there'll be Twitter for all the three brands, there'll be Facebook for all the three brands, and there'll be LinkedIn for all the three brands. So in total, you'll have 4 into 3, 12 apps to look after. But streams is where you can understand all of those social medias of across all the brands in one place. So you can understand all the work that you're doing in one place. Publisher is where you can see how your month is doing, how your week is doing, what all you're posting across the week, what all you're posting across the month. And this is not just about one brand. This is across brands. You could just switch between brands and see what all you're posting. If you're posting each of the posts on the right time, if you're posting it at the with the right hashtags, with the right captions, with the right image, all that can be seen at one place. So Hootsuite just makes your life really, really easy where when you have to look across social media for all of these social medias and brands. Inbox is something that I really like. Inbox is where it brings the inbox of all these social medias into one place where let's say you have some comments on Instagram, you need to you need to reply to them immediately or else it'll get stale. There are some retweets on Twitter, there are some uh, tweets on Twitter that you need to reply, and you need to do that ASAP. That's where inbox comes in place. And this is not manual at all. You can have schedules, you can have tweets written for certain words that you want to tweet for. For example, I'm complaining on Twitter about my Airtel network not working. So there's not a person behind working day and night to retweet or to manage my complaint. There's a bot behind. The bot is Hootsuite, wherein if they see a certain keyword, let's say this person has complained about network, they would write a tweet under it, complain, could you please or call onto this number, and they would resolve it. This is where customer complaint gets resolved on Twitter. This is where Hootsuite is, wherein it helps you tweet faster, it helps you reply faster to people's comments, and this is where the connection between the audience and your brand becomes much more stronger. So this is comes in place. And the next is analytics. Analytics is, as we all know, some of you are digital marketers and social media marketers. You all know what analytics are when it comes to social media marketing and social media management. You have to see how your how your account is growing, how your brands are doing, if it's doing better during the festive season, or if it's doing better during a certain post. If a certain post is doing better than the other, then you can use those kind of reels or those kind of template posts more often to get better engagement for your brand. So this is just the simple overview of the dashboard when you log into Hootsuite.